Quick printer setup using the built-in Media Catalogue. From the Serendipity client, go to the Help menu and select Media Catalogue in the list. The Media Catalogue app will open on screen. Select Create New. Click on the Output Driver button to select your printer driver. Any available output drivers will appear in the list. Highlight your driver and click OK when done. A list of available media for your driver will appear on the left. Selecting a media will display the settings in the right panel. After selecting your media in the list, click the Next button. The Setup for Media screen will appear. Here you can edit the name of the page setup if required. To use an existing output with the new page setup, select Use Existing, otherwise select Create New. Edit the name of the new output that will be created if required. If you are not connecting to the output via Bonjour, choose the Select Later option. When finished, click on the Create button. Depending on the driver selected, you may see a message appear to download additional items. Click the OK button and dismiss the confirmation message. Click the Close button to close the Media Catalogue. To download any additional items, go to the Server Help menu, Install Additional Software option. Any items to download will be listed in the Available Updates tab. Click the OK button to download and install the relevant files. Under the Additional Software tab, you may see the following test prints in the list: Quick Cal and Calibration Form. If you want to print a test print in the following steps, select these for download also. They will only appear here if they have not yet been downloaded. Install and quit when finished. The next step is to configure the connection. Go to the Serendipity client, Application menu, Workbench, or switch to the Workbench window if open. Select Output in the Data Types list. Select the output just created via the Media Catalogue setup. Select the connection header to open the panel. Click on the Destination Driver button. Select the connection method for your output and OK to continue. Enter the details required for your chosen method. If it appears for your selection, click the Test button to check the connection is valid. You will be prompted to save before testing. Select Save and Test. A response of OK is expected for a valid connection. Save the configuration when finished via File menu, Save. You can now submit a test print to check the setup. In a client window, select the Submit menu, Test Prints. In the Submit window that appears, select the page setup created earlier. Select either the calibration form or Quick Cal. Select Hold after rendering and submit when ready. The test print will be sent for processing and be held after rendering to preview first. Go to the Jobs application window. If one is not open, go to Application menu, Jobs. When you see the job is in a held state, select it in the list and select View Printed. A preview will appear in the Softproof window. You can use the loop or just pan around the image to check for any errors. Close the Softproof window when done. In the Jobs queue, select the job and click the Release button to send it to the printer for output, or Cancel to stop the process. It is also recommended that you run the Linearizer application to linearize your printer using the new page setup before you begin processing jobs for print. Note: if you have access to a spectrophotometer, it is recommended that you linearize your printer regularly to ensure your output remains consistent.